Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is August monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius and what's going on? Messages for Aquarius. Under the deck, 2 of Swords, 5 of Wands, Page of Cups and 5 of Swords. I think a lot of disturbances between you and your person, a lot of arguments, fightings and a lot of drama. You are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision here, Judgment card, but you are at some crossroads. You can't make any decision. And someone is coming with an apology. For some, a text or message is coming. So let's see your reading recent past. 9 of Swords, Judgment and the Sun. So in recent past, you were in anxiety or depression type of energy. You are thinking about your person a lot. And you have to make some decision regarding your relationship. But I think you made some decision for some. Maybe you are at some crossroads. But there is some happiness. There is some... I think you made a right decision in recent past. Because 9 of Swords, Judgment and the Sun. Definitely you made a right decision. I think you are taking off from your relationship. You are taking rest because recent Ace of Wands, 4 of Swords and Ace of Cups. So you are focusing on yourself. You are loving yourself because Ace of Cups with 4 of Swords. You are taking care of yourself. And Ace of Wands, maybe you are focusing new opportunities, especially on your career, Aquarius. In relationship wise, right now you are taking some break. Maybe you are not talking with them. You are taking care of yourself. Then future, the High Priestess, 7 of Cups and Page of Pentacles. You started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Still there is a lot of confusion. Maybe you have options also. And Page of Pentacles. There is communication is coming, text is coming. Children's also involved in this connection. I think you have multiple options for some. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Leo. So, Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. The Moon, Page of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles and Justice. I think they are missing you right now. If you are in separation, they want second chances with you. If you are in no contact, there is communication is coming. Yes, your person may be not expressing their feelings in past, but now they want to express. And the Moon. But there are some trust issues. There are some illusions between you and your person, Aquarius. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. The Fool, the Sun and Page of Wands and the 7 of Swords. In past, maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person, Aquarius. But they are realizing that you are their happiness. You are their sunshine. They want a brand new beginnings. Yes, they want a brand new beginnings with you. And their feelings, 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups and King of Cups. So they want to leave behind everything that is fightings, arguments between both of you. And they want to restart again. They really want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles, they want partnership with you, and they really want to offer their cup of love to you because King of Cups, they do love you. So let's see their intentions. Knight of Cups, Four of Swords, Ace of Swords, and Six of Cups. So they are thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate or past life connection. Definitely there is communication and clarity is coming. I think you both are on the same page. They are also healing or taking rest and thinking about you a lot. I think you both thinking about each other a lot. They do love you and they have romantic feelings for you. They really want to offer their feelings. And their intentions, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Strength. For some, right now they're scared for rejection also, but they are working on their self. Definitely they will communicate. They will make a move towards you. They're in rush to communicate with you because Knight of Swords energy. This time they're very, very serious about you. They want to share their life with you, Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Leo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are spying you a lot and thinking about you a lot. They want to communicate with you. That's why they keep putting tabs on you. And they're waiting for right time for some. But they're coming back. This time they're really serious about you. For some, it was ended between you and your person. But they want rebirth in this connection. I think you also want brand new beginnings with this person because it is also tower moment for you. If you are in separation, it is a tower moment for you. You are not expressing, but you still want this person in your life. Right now, you're spiritually awakening, Aquarius, but you're feeling stuck. Yes. For some, you walked away from this connection because you're feeling stuck. Then you're spiritually awakening. You're taking your control back, but still you want brand new beginnings. And for some, you want to be living in the present moment and going with the flow. One case of people want new beginnings, and other case of people want to move on. Here two cases. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, waiting game is going, and one person is focusing on their career and independence, and other person may be waiting. There is waiting game is going, and there is no equal give and take. There will be movement in this connection, but it is in slow moving. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Friendship, mask, and I am not feel good enough for you. So the messages are friendship, mask, I am not feeling good enough for you, and I have regrets. So these are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra energy. So for those who are in separation, definitely there will be a new start, especially when new moon in Libra. So the second message, you are very close to achieving your goal. So if you are doing consistent hard work towards your goal, so this is the message for you. You are very close to achieving your goal. So Aquarius, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.